no, my bike is dirty. Yeah, today we will do the cleaning, the detailing of my bike. I'll try to do cool detailing of my bike. My bike is dirty and I'll show you what I will do. You can see my bike is so dirty. Look at this. The all of parts on my bike is so dirty. Look at this. Today is so windy and I'll try to do my best with the sound. I don't know, maybe you can hear me bad, but I turn on noise reduction. And what about chemicals? The first thing what we need is brushes. Brushes for wheels, for tires, for engine, to clean the old oil from motor, chain, and brush like this. For the old parts, what we need to clean. Also, we need a rack for drying bike. It's very soft. The texture, it's good. I wash in cars with this rack. It's cool. The sponge, I think it's sponge or I don't know, but yeah, we need this one too. And we need chemicals for cleaning bikes. And the first, this is for old oil, and I tried this one. It's working good, really working good. Yeah, this is the first one. The second one is shampoo. It's shampoo for car body to remove static dust, and it's very softly and smells like cherry. This is the second one. After the chemical for remove brake dust. This is for brake pads and discs. A little late, I'll show you how it works. This chemical will change color to purple, to magenta, I think. And this is for isolate all our electricity on our bike, for keyhole and the other electricity parts. And for this one, we need bottle to mix with still water to have working chemical. Sorry guys, I try to explain you what I mean, but my English is not perfect, but I try. And this one for tire, but don't use it for bikes. Use it only for cars, because if you will use it on bikes, it's very dangerous, because it's like oil, and tires will very slippery. It's good, but for car, not for bike. Don't use this for bike, only for cars. This is the cream for wheels to make tires looks fresh. So let's make my bike looks perfect. It's will perfect detailing, because my bike is so dirty. I can show you. The first part of our cleaning, it will just wash bike with still water. We can make softly the old dirt on bike, and after we will clean with brushes. This is shampoo. Enough. What's wrong? But smells good, like cherry. Okay, it's not a problem for us. The second part is chemical for old oil, and we need to clean it. And this one for this part. I will use brushes to make it perfect. It's so hard because my hand is wet. It's very hard. After we start working with brushes and clean all of these parts. Yeah, and don't forget, make something like this. Spin the wheel so you can update cleaning zone. I think we finished with it, and after we need to remove dust from brakes. This one for brakes. We do the same things It smells not good, but with this chemical we do only for brakes. Yeah, and after we need to wait a little time, like 30 seconds or 1 minute, and after we clean with brush too. You can see the chemical change the color. We need to wait like a 30 seconds and after clean with brush.
Words you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last and to believe in what you got.
You can see the color. I think it's good. After we need this brush. This brush only for our tires. After this brush, our tires will be shine and looks good.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
after we need to remove all of this chemical. I forgot to use spray for isolate the old electricity, but I don't use much water for this electronics, so it's okay. The spray, this is like oil, and the spray make the barrier to water. Sorry guys, my English is not perfect, but I'm trying. Next step, this is for full bike body, and we need to use shampoo. You can see it's like soft foam, and clean the bike with this.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't.
And after we need only rinsing with still water, and our bike absolutely clean. And our final step is drying. We need to dry the whole bike with this rag, and that's all. I finished with this detailing today. Just look on this bike, it looks like brand new. And one trick from me, if you want to your bike shine more, you can use polish for plastic. You can use it on all surfaces, don't worry, it's okay. And you can see how it looks with polish. Look on this texture, it's like brand new, so bike shiny.
What's up? 'Cause enough is enough.
You can see the color on this side. This is with polish and without. You can use this for all surfaces, for metal, for gum, for plastic. It's okay. And that's all. Bike looks like brand new.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue.
Thank you for watching. I hope it was useful, and a new video will be soon.